Today I'm going to show you how to create massive lashes. I'm going to share with you an experiment that I did using a lash conditioner and a castor oil product, and I'm going to share with you the mascara that I use to build massive lashes. If you'd like to know more, please keep watching. Hi, I'm Shelley. This is Fabulous 50s, a lifestyle channel that explores fashion, beauty and lifestyle for women over 50. And if you're a woman over 50, click subscribe and click the bell and you'll be alerted every time there's a new video. Ladies, I've been doing a test on my lashes for about 8 weeks now. I started off using the Revitalash on one eye and castor oil on the other eye. And I've read lots of reviews that castor oil is good for lash growth, and I've also read reviews about the Revitalash. So I did the test and have a look at the results. I have got Revitalash on this eye and the castor oil on this eye. Check out the difference. This has grown so much and this has grown, maybe a tiny fraction. Here's a picture of my eyes 8 weeks ago, and this is just with one very, very fine coat of mascara so that we could get a good indication. And the one underneath is my lashes now with a very fine coat of mascara. So it's comparing apples to apples. And the Revitalash really works. This has made my lashes grow so much longer and thicker. Today I'm using Thrive Cosmetics mascara on both eyes, and there is a massive difference. And this is only 8 weeks of use. So if you have thinning eyelashes as you're getting older, which many of us do, and I know lots of you have told me that you have thin eyelashes and they're wearing out, this is definitely worth a try. This is quite expensive, but it has lasted me such a long time. And I'll tell you something else. I've tried this when I first got it, and I gave up after about 6 weeks because I didn't really see a huge difference. But guess what happened? If you stop using it, your eyelashes will fall out. So when that first happened to me, I didn't know it was because of this, and then I found out. So now I've tried it again using the 2 different methods, and I have a nice long thick side and I have a normal side. How this works is when you're putting it on your lashes each night, it actually stops them from falling out. So your lashes just keep growing thicker and longer. And when you don't use it, your lashes fall out naturally, which is what they do every day if we're not conditioning them. You put one thin coat on the edge of your eyelash each night before you go to bed. It doesn't sting, it doesn't make my eyes red. It's just you can go to bed and it's all good. And then you do it again the next day and the next day and the next day. I did miss probably 3 or 4 days. 5 days, and they've still grown and my lashes haven't fallen out. So I'm excited. This works. I'm going to stop using the castor oil. I wouldn't say that's a great treatment for growing your eyelashes. It may help keep what you have, but I don't think, on me anyway, it grew them longer. So yeah, this works. I'm just going to show you now my eyelashes from scratch, and then I'm going to add this Thrive Cosmetics mascara, which is a lash building mascara. Let me know if you've tried this and if it's worked for you, or let me know if you've tried another brand that also works for you. I'd love to hear. And also, ladies, I'm doing a video on, if I could only have one product, what would it be for makeup and for skincare? And it's anti-aging, something that makes our skin glow and feel great for the skincare, and a makeup item that's great for mature age skin. What I'd like to do is get all of your input, and then we can get all of the data. We can all see what each other's favorites are. And I think that's a more real way of finding out who loves what. You know, if we read it in a magazine, we don't know where the results have come from. But here, you've all tried many products and you've all got a great opinion. So share your opinions down below, and I'm going to pick the ones that I've mentioned over and over again, and then I'm going to share that with you. And we're going to get an honest, true opinion of what women in our community actually love. So that's exciting. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and share it if you have any friends who are having issues with their eyelashes. And also, if you have friends who are makeup junkies, let them know, get them to contribute to our survey. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful week.